you open here with me.
Oh shit!
Better than yours.
What is? Who's in the club? Who's in the club? Coming like what? Who's in the club? Popping like what? Who's in the club? Popping like what? When we pop off. Pop off, when I run off. When I grab the microphone, you know I run off. Pop off, when we run off. When we come around the line, I'm a gunner. In the thing, I'm putting out my shotgun. Click a six back when I'm off on the one. I ain't running around the line, number one. I got the mic and I'm busting. Run that. My DJ done that. We ain't stopping that. Run that. My DJ coming in, heavy cuts coming in, whack. In the mix, die, what? In the mix with the fire. In the mix, die, what? D.M.E coming fire.
Wicked and bad.
Wicked and bad. D.M.E that. Wicked and bad. Oh yeah. My DJ throw it down here. Oh shit, oh no. My DJ fuck up the flow. Alright. Giggity do. If you know, you know. Alright. Hold on to your seats. We're going warp speed. We're going warp speed.
Listen, we want to see the people in the dance squad wicked and bad.
I'm off the beat. Darkside warrior, we flying higher. I jump jet, I'm taking a fighting jet. More power with the warrior. My team coming when I'm hiking. Listen to the king, I say I come around the mic, I'm rolling under. You can't stop the style, roll like thunder. D.M.E rolls like thunder. Bring the force, bring the power. Fire! That's what we do in the dance. Somebody shout, fuck off. That's right. Vibes and bass, vibes and bass. We come around with a smile on our face. What vibes and ting, vibes and ting. My DJ, come on, ring. Bring the dance bell, ring. Fire. Holy shit. D.M.E.
1,000 kilometers out. Deep within its core, the star has begun to collapse upon itself.
Yes, we got Sasquatch with Hitler on the decks. Sasquatch is another original from D.M.E. Let me just quickly shout out Bass Rabbit. You gotta get on the Beatport, check out Bass Rabbit, go look for D.M.E. You gotta go run them tunes down, run them tunes up, got the feet up. You know what it is. D.M.E.
I'm gonna go for the cue.
This cycle of death and birth has defined the history of our galaxy. Our own vision of space has been shaped by a handful of rare exploding stars.
I'm gonna go for the cue.
When I running in your face. We come around when we're setting up the pace. It's the styles and bass, styles and bass. We come around when we're setting up the pace. It's a pacemaker, but I ain't an OAP, I keep it fresh, bruh. Pacemaker. D.M.E.
How do we stop?
D.M.E. coming in heavy. You know what it is. And your friends, you can't deny it. Big up yourselves. and bass, styles and bass. We come around with the smile on our face. Oh shit. Somebody throw a lighter, yeah. We don't take lighters to the race no more, so somebody show your phone in the air. All the seasons flashlight business.
Baseline soldier.
Oh shit!
Baseline soldier.
Pick up JFB. Running. Running, we're running, you know we're running, we're coming, you know we're running, we're running, you know we're coming, we're coming. Running, we're running, you know we're running, we're running, you know we're running, we're coming. Rat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat. Run the mic, I'm coming with the rhythm sounding over. What? Rat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat. I'm a one man, only man, only got my back. We want rhythm coming harder, faster. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat, I need a master. It's a chicken game, you know me coming faster. Rat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat-a-tat-a-tat-a-tat. Big up all my SPGs out there. All the originals. Big up Ali, Zoyan and shout out Mr. Turbulence. Concrete on your head when we walking in the street. What? 3 tons of concrete. Traffic on your head when we walking in the street. This beat sweet, yo, this beat savage. My boy D makes the sweet so savage. We come right around the beat in the darkness. People wanna tell it, but we still fight this. I swing for the mic, I'm running with my sword. I just run up on the mic. I'm a warrior. I swing for the mic, running with my sword. The mic is my weapon, I'm holding like a lord. Boss man, boss move, boss man, boss roll. I roll into the place like the boss move. I come run through, SK run through. Boss man, boss move, run through. Yes. This track right now, 3 tons of concrete, just been released by you now. You need to go and run this shit up.
Most Londoners are winding down for the weekend. The younger generation is only now coming.
took us by the side. We didn't even realise what it was. The session is over, my friends. It's been Sharpening the Blade. My man D.M.E. Show a middle finger. I've been Skimatik. Peace.